All right, I have the Swiffer Wet Jet mopping kit, and I'm going to show you how to attach the mopping pad to the mopping kit or the mop itself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over so you can see it. As you can see underneath, there are these strips right here. Now these strips right here is Velcro. It's one side of Velcro. And so what you're going to have to do is attach this part of the Velcro to the Velcro that's on the pad. All right. Now, you may think that the Velcro is going to be on this side of the pad, but this is actually the mopping side with this strip right here. So you're going to flip it over, and there's going to be these strips that go along right here. And this looks like you're supposed to peel it off. In fact, you are not. Do not try to peel those off. What you're going to do is you're going to attach the mop to these strips right here. Now you see the Velcro's on the outside, right there, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take the mop and just line it up with the strips evenly on the pad, just like that. And just gonna have to wiggle it around like a little bit, like just make sure it's attached right here, just like that. And that's how you attach the pad to the Swiffer Wet Jet mopping kit. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.